Hi guys, we're here at Bilsport Performance Custom Motor Show here in Jönköping, Elmia, Sweden. We're here together with our friend and builder Henrik Mattssons, and what we want to show you today is a bit of his Volvo V70 rear-wheel drive 500 horsepower Volvo T5 engine, and we want to talk about the air jacks especially. What's unique with this car, it's not that it has like all the Nuke parts you can ever find, it also has our low pressure air jacks. Come join me and see. This car uses a total of 4 air jack cylinders, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. What's unique with these air jacks is actually they are low pressure air jacks that only needs 8 bar 120 psi to lift about 1,600 kilos. And Henrik, he has made some really interesting installation where he actually uses a nitrogen tank within the car. It has a total of 200 bars, but with a regulator that goes down to about 12 bars. The air jacks on this car, it has a total lift of about 250 millimeters. And 250 millimeters, that's actually what you see here. You have a lot of tolerance beneath the tires, but this is a car with a very extreme low ground tolerance from start. But we have to make it even a better solution, maybe in not as here on a show or at the side in the pit lane, but more in like the workshop, is to use our second stage lift kit, the Elephant Feet. What this kit actually does, it's to give you a second stage of lift. You get the total of about 500 millimeter lift heights instead. And how it works, it's that you have the lower stand and the safety prop that connects when they are installed. And to help us to illustrate how to use these on the car, we have Henrik's son Marcus here that will join us and install these on this V70. Welcome, Marcus. Now Marcus is done. He has installed the first stage of the 2-stage system. So the car is now equipped with the first stage of the Elephant Feet, and the next step is to release the pressure to get the piston to go up again. So Henrik, please release the pressure. Now the full weight of the car is supported by the first step of the Elephant Feet. The piston has gone up all the way, and now we have the safety pin that goes on all the way in. And now it's time to raise the pressure again. The next step is now that the piston has gone down again. The full weight is now supported by the safety lock pin. What we have now to mainly make it a secure installation is the safety props that we use as the last step of the Elephant Feet installation. The safety prop goes above and locks into place. And now when we release the pressure once again, the car will sit down on the safety props and make it a safe and secure installation, even working underside of the vehicle. Now the car is fully lifted with Elephant Feet in this second stage lift system. We have a total height of about 500 lift increase, making it extremely easy to work with wheels and tires. Also on the body work and suspension work. When you are lining wheels and you're making corner weights and everything like that, setting up your coilovers, this is a perfect solution. Not only on the track side, but also in your workshop. You can store the car on the air jacks for a long run. This car is one of our favorite cars of all time. It has like everything you can possibly wish for of the Nuke Performance range. And what Henrik has done with the onboard installation with the nitrogen tank is a really sweet spot on this kind of car. What you also can do with this low pressure air jacks that only require 8 bar 120 psi to lift this type of car, you can go to like in the workshop where you have the workshop compressor and lift the car up. You could even go to a gas station and use the traditional just for filling the air valves on the tires to lift the car for easy maintenance. So this is not only for race cars, this is even for like track day cars, like this more of a show car, even if this will both tear the roads and the tracks over time. Yeah. And I would really like to say a thank you to Henrik and Marcus for letting us show you these today, the Elephant Feet and the air jacks from us at Nuke Performance. And for more information about all the parts you need for this type of installation and all the other parts used in this car, visit nukeperformance.com today.